So today we are going to be trying out the cheap Amazon power washing sandblaster attachment. Now this comes with the wand, comes with a hose, this little black thing you stick in the sand. Comes with an adapter for a Karcher power washer, and it comes with a nice new set of goggles. So basically this end is just going to attach into your power washer. Just use some regular play sand. I'm thinking that this just goes right down in there. Hopefully it sucks it up. This end's going to go on the power washer, and we're going to be trying to sandblast some metal. Now this has got Raptor liner on it. I am not expecting it to do a thing there at all, but hopefully we can clear up some of these shitty welds and stuff so we can fix these. So let's get this all hooked up, get the power washer primed and started, and see where this goes. Alright, now you want to make sure that this tip is pointed up, not down, otherwise water will run into it. So let's see what this thing will do. You see that's all black. Oh, we got a kink. So apparently you got to watch the hose, make sure it doesn't kink up. Unkink that and keep going. Alright, now we don't know how well that paint was on there, but it brought it down. So let's try something really rusty. Let's go up in here. Oh, right here. Actually, this shows you how rusty it is. So let's give that a shot. Alright, that's bare metal. Or at least down to encapsulator. Let me find, oh, right here. There was never any encapsulator or anything on that one, so let's try that out. Alright, here's another little example. Before, after. Alright, not gonna lie, this shit is messy and sand goes everywhere and you're gonna get soaked. But, I mean, this was just years and years of paint and goop and all sorts of shit. Now, it does not work on the Raptor liner. I hit that for like 20 seconds and it pretty much just laughed at me. But that's kind of a testament to the Raptor liner. I have a tool to take that off, so I'm not too worried about that. I'm just trying to get all this rust and everything off just so I can do some welding. So, as far as the product goes, I think it's a really good product. How long it'll last, I have no clue. But, like I said, pretty cheap, 26 bucks off of Amazon. All it takes is, you know, a little $4 bag of sand. And doesn't even take much. So yeah, this is getting the big old thumbs up. Alright, so I'd say it does fairly well, fairly quickly. As you can see, that was all black. Now, even this, that was just complete rust. Now it's just metal. I think this is a good tool for the do-it-yourselfer, weekend warrior type that has to sandblast something that's in really tight quarters. And for 26 bucks with a $10 coupon to leave a review, I'm going to be leaving a review and getting my 10 bucks. So, hope you like this. You know, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And in the meantime, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. So if you think you're not going to get sand on you, think again. You're going to get it everywhere.